Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your dashcam. There's a few different ways to reset our dashcams, so please watch the full video to learn how to reset your particular model. To reset any of these models here, all you need to do is press the power button 5 times sequentially, and that will factory reset. Some of our models have a pin reset, so if your device is listed here, all you need to do is grab a pin, press it in for 15 seconds. For these, you can reset using the screen settings. Finally, if you have the Elite or Ultra models, all you need to do is press the far right button until it tells you it's performing a factory reset. Once your device is reset, your password will go back to the default password. This is 1234567890. When you log in for the first time, your device will tell you to update the password. And that's how to reset your dashcam. Thanks for watching.